neck gaiter, blocks harmful UV rays, antimicrobial, prevents odor-causing bacteria, great if you sweat a lot, moisture wicking, stay cool, SPF, UPF rather, 50 plus. Yeah, secures into universal accessory slots, compatible with Milwaukee and most professional safety helmets and hard hats. So it may work on, I'll try it on 2 other helmets that I have. It actually slides into the second slot right here. And on this side, slides into the second slot. And it just pushes down in the back. It clips underneath the little light holder. Okay, this may not be your thing, it's mine. You work where it's very sunny, like in Central Texas, it gets really hot. And you don't want to get the old red neck back there. So this will unzip. There's a zipper right here. You can unzip it and wash it, take it off with a brim. But most of the construction people around here, they wear these now. They also wear in Milwaukee the wider brim they have here, but it keeps your neck cool, keeps the sun off of it. And this neck gaiter, it has holes here so you can put ear protection on. There's a little picture here, and presumably that's safety ear protection. I have this pair of ear protection, but it doesn't fit. It won't fit in that hole, and I don't think there's an easy way to get the pieces off. So may have to get a smaller version over here, or a Milwaukee specific version. Works well with this helmet, non-Milwaukee. Works with my FEMA CERT helmet, emergency response helmet. They have these little slots in the side. That seems to be the criteria you need. Doesn't work with my old offshore helmet. When I decided to quit college and go work in the oil field for a year. And then that was enough of that situation. But this is an old-timey helmet. The straps are mounted in the head set rather than coming through the side here, so there's no slot.